Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Muhammad Akram Hakim bin Muhammad Noor. I'm from ROS 44. Today I'm going to present on how to create an application to monitor distance using sonic rangefinder based on ESP32. So before we start, let's understand first about the basic principle of sonic rangefinder. Sonic rangefinder is one of the sensor devices that used to measure distance between the transmitter and the nearest object. The sensor uses ultrasonic to measure the distance to the nearest object. It transmits the signal from the sender to the nearest object, and the reflected wave will receive at the sender or receiver. The sensor will calculate the distance based on the time taken by the signal started from its transmit until the signal return. This is a circuit diagram with auto programming. The port line connected to ground with adding the capacitor to run the system with automatically. Then we create a ternite block to acquire an IP address for the ESP32. We set the delay with 1000, connect network SSID with our Wi-Fi and password. Then choose a local IP block to obtain our IP address. Then we change the baud rate from 9600 to 115200 and compile it on the Arduino IDE to monitor our IP address on the serial monitor. So here is my IP address is 192.168.101.51. Okay, first we need to create a ternite block to read the sonic rangefinder and data on a web page. Make sure in the block it has the important things such as connect SSID network, local IP and serial read to know the value of sonic rangefinder. Then we change the baud rate from 9600 to 115200 before compile it on the Arduino IDE. To look the result, we search our IP address on a web page. Then it will appear the value of the sonic rangefinder on web page. Second, we create an application to monitor the distance of sonic rangefinder using smartphone. In design page, we just design based on what we want, but in the block page, we must copy the URL from the web page that we already got before and paste it on the block design. Okay, so lastly, we connect our emulator to monitor the distance using sonic rangefinder, which is wired to ESP32 using UART interface. Finally, we were success to create an application to monitor distance using sonic rangefinder using a smartphone. I hope this video can help you guys to do and create the application. A big thanks to my lecturer, especially to Prof. Johari, Sir Hafizi and Dr. T.S. Chan. Thank you very much.